Hey guys, welcome to Practical Home Projects. So today we're going to be going over how to clean a glass cooktop surface. So sometimes when you're cooking, food overflows the pot, it hits the cooktop surface and then it gets burned on and it adheres really well. So I've actually already wiped this down with just a washcloth and this didn't come off. And you want to be very careful about the chemicals that you use on your cooktop surface as well as the type of materials. You don't want to use any abrasive chemicals or any metal materials which could scratch your surface. So actually, my first step is going to be to use this razor blade, and you don't want to gouge it into the surface. That would obviously leave a scratch, but you can kind of scrape it at a parallel motion, and then that will help remove a lot of this stuck on residue, and then we'll move into the polishing step next. So after just doing the scraping process, a lot of the texture of the surface is pretty much smoothed out. So now I'm going to use this Cooktop Cleaner. It actually kind of scrapes off some things and also gives you a little bit of a polish. So you can see that looks a lot better. I still see a couple little spots. I'm actually going to hit it again with the polishing mat. So now it pretty much looks good as new. That's a good polishing thing to do maybe once every week or so after you're done cooking, just to keep your cooktop looking nice. If after a couple of years of use you notice that you have some scratches on your surface, you can actually use baking soda and kind of work that into the surface, and that will help make those scratches look less visible. So that's pretty much all we have for you guys today. I hope this helped you a lot the next time you're doing a cleaning project. If you guys like what you saw today, we really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe this video. And if you guys have any cleaning tips you got to share, please put that down below in the comments section. Thanks guys, see you later.